Why is this just a slideshow? Why? The Promised Neverland Season 2? Why?
So my laptop, my MacBook Air, has been lagging for years, and I think it was because I abused it. I mostly did some heavy editing there, and I think that's why my battery died. I don't think, I'm not sure if it's the right term, but my battery died. Something along those lines. So now I switched to buying a non-Apple, an Android laptop. I don't know if that's the correct term, but yeah, and I just bought it after like a year, almost a year of suffering because of my MacBook. Yeah, and I'm gonna show you my laptop. Before, I was using the MacBook Air 13-inch. I forgot the, I don't know what you call it, but like the year? But the version, I'm not sure. But this is the 2017 version. And yeah, it's old. And I cannot use this laptop without being plugged in because my laptop has no battery in it. So like, yeah, I cannot use it without being plugged on. You know, I'm just rambling, I'm sorry. I don't know how to vlog. And now, I bought the Lenovo Legion 5. And actually, I didn't know that this was a gaming laptop. And yeah, now I'm very amazed with the keyboard. I don't know, I just like how it lights up. Okay, I sound like a kid, I'm sorry. And I'm so glad because before I didn't have Microsoft, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So I just edit through Keynote. I edit my intros through Keynote, the Apple Keynote one, like the PowerPoint version of Apple. And yeah, and I've been suffering because it's very hard if I'm just reliant on Keynote, Pages. And guys, there's like a fan here. I don't know what it's called. But yeah, there's a fan. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, I sound like a kid. It's because I really don't know much about laptops. But this is my laptop so far. And I'll continue to study about how Lenovo or laptops in general works because I was accustomed to using MacBooks. Oh my gosh, for the first time, I can now like put virtual backgrounds in my Zoom, in my video in Zoom because before I wasn't allowed because my processor was too slow. And now I can, and yeah, I'm not happy with the quality of the camera, but you know, I can just buy a webcam so that the quality would be better. OMG, I just learned now, like just right now, how to like change the colors of the keyboard lights, and like I feel so like that, and then like, oh my gosh, am I doing it right? How is it? Like that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm very dumb right now because remember when I told you all earlier that I didn't like the quality of my camera, and I think I know why I don't like it. It was because of this. I haven't like removed it. I haven't removed it yet, so like let's remove it. Okay, let's see. I still don't like it, but I think it's because of the lighting of my camera. No, the lighting here. It's because it's dark here and there's like no good lighting. Okay, I'm just blabbering. Anyways, yeah. I just wanted to share. Bye-bye. 누구예요? 엄마, 아빠, 할아버지, 할머니, 동생. Sa 8 taon ko sa Ora et Labora, dito ko natutuhan ang kahalagahan ng pagiging mulat sa bayan.
Mi, nakatingin ka! Mi, niya ako?